How to open a bank account at Bank of America as a non-resident. Bank of America does allow non-U.S. residents or non-residents. It could include international students, foreign workers, or people temporarily in U.S. However, you generally cannot open the account fully online as a non-resident. You must visit a branch in person. There are several documents that you will need: a valid passport, a secondary ID, could be a foreign driver's license, a national ID, or another official ID. Proof of a US address, it could be a utility bill, rental agreement, or official letter showing US address and your name. Proof of your foreign home country address, a tax identification number. If you have an SSN or ITIN, that's great. If not, sometimes a foreign tax ID may suffice depending on branch. Because requirements can vary by branch, it's a good idea to call ahead and confirm what that specific branch expects before you visit. Then visit the nearest branch and they will guide you through this. That's all for today. Thank you.